Hello everyone, welcome back to Cyber Smart Kids. I'm very happy to see you again. In day 14, we learned about algorithms. In day 15, we learned about sequence. In day 16, we learned about loops. In day 17, we learned about if-else decision making. Today, in day 18, we will learn another very important coding skill. Today's topic is debugging for kids. Debugging means finding and fixing mistakes in code. Sometimes code does not work the first time. That is completely normal. Even expert coders make mistakes. A smart coder does not give up. A smart coder checks, fixes, and tries again. Let's learn debugging in a fun way. Kids, when we write code, sometimes something goes wrong. Maybe the character does not move. Maybe the score does not increase. Maybe the sound does not play. Maybe the game stops or the answer is wrong. The mistake in the code is called a bug, and fixing the bug is called debugging. The word bug sounds funny, right? A bug can mean a small insect, but in coding, it means a problem in a program. For example, you want a cat to move right, but the cat moves left. That is a bug. You want the game to add 1 point, but the score stays 0. That is a bug. You want music, but there's no sound. Debugging means we become detectives. We look carefully, we find what went wrong, and then we fix it. Bugs are not only in coding. Imagine you are making a sandwich. You forget to add cheese. That is like a bug. You fix it by adding cheese. Imagine you are packing your bag and forget your math book. That is like a bug. Debugging is very important because it helps our code work correctly. Without it, games may not work. It teaches us patience and problem solving. Good coders say, "My code has a bug. I will find it and fix it." Now let us learn a simple debugging method. Remember these 5 words: stop, check, find, fix, test. First, stop. Do not panic. Second, check. Look at what should happen and what is actually happening. Let us look at an example. You want your character to move right when you press the key, but nothing happens. Stop. Check what should happen. Find the missing block. Fix it by adding the 10 steps block. Then test it. In Scratch, debugging is very visual. You can check your blocks one by one. Is the green flag block added? Ask yourself, is the sprite visible? Is the correct key selected? Scratch is great for seeing blocks clearly. Bugs are not enemies. Bugs are teachers. They show us what we need to learn. Every great coder faces bugs. Activity time. Task. Make a sandwich. Step 1. Bread. Step 2. Eat it. Step 3. Add cheese. What is the bug? Yes, the sandwich is eaten before it is made. You need the cheese first. Excellent debugging. Here is your checklist. Did I add the start block? Are steps in order? Is the character visible? Test it again. Quiz time. What is a bug in coding? A mistake in code or a sandwich? The correct answer is A, a mistake. Your homework. Create one wrong sequence and then fix it. Brushing teeth or packing your bag. You decide. Great job today. You learned that bugs are teachers. See you in the next class of Cyber Smart Kids. Bye-bye.